Remove 2 top and 2 bottom pan head screws from the back cover. Insert flathead screwdriver to a corner to push out back cover. With a 5 32 Allen wrench, release the pressure from the spring by loosening the top screw. Lift the upper platen and hold at the same time and continue loosening pressure from the top screw. Place the top platen back down and loosen the bottom screw. With a 1/4 inch drive pin and a 5 32 Allen wrench, loosen the center screw. Turn adjustment collar down towards where the drive pin. Insert Allen wrench to every first screw and turn collar downward. Enter drive pin into a center opening and turn downward just a bit. With the Allen wrench, loosen screw from the collar holder. Lift the platen to its up position and loosen the second screw. Carefully disconnect the heater, ground, and sensor wires, then pull wires out. Carefully slide the machine over the edge of a table and expose the bottom set screw. And with an Allen wrench, remove the first set screw and loosen the second screw. Do not remove the second screw. Remove the E-clip from the top link with stripper pliers. Now tap the pin out with a flathead screwdriver. Now lift the upper platen and carefully pull it out.